Alright, what is good, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy Scott Kicks, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. I'll much appreciate it. Leave a like and a comment. Today we are doing an unboxing video. Now, this is on a pair of Jordan 1s. I didn't think they would sell out, but they sold out super quick. I thought I would strike out. There wasn't that much craze or hype on these, but it's just like, I don't know, this sold out. I kept on trying and trying to get these. And shout out Courtside Sneakers. You guys came through. They came from Halifax, actually. It's a Canadian consignment store. They have them in a few cities in Canada. I got it off their website. These retailed for $145 Canadian plus tax. I paid like $168 something in the end. This is a pair of Jordan 1 mids. Now, these would be great for Halloween season, like close to Halloween, or even to rock on Halloween day, because these are orange and black. Yes, that is correct. You may have seen the reverse shattered backboard Jordan 1 highs or shattered backboards. Now let's unbox these. I'll show you what they look like in person. I got these in the mail a few days ago after I ordered them. So hopefully I don't carve into the shoebox, but there you guys have it. That's the box. Now I went with my true size, which was a size 9. I actually managed to get this last size 9 they had in stock. Now, these are called the Air Jordan 1 Mid Black and Cones. Like, so it says color is black, cone, light bone. Suggested retail $145 Canadian. Now let's take a look at these. Oh my god, these are so fucking nice. Oh my god, these are so freaking nice. The leather quality on Jordan 1 mids, as you know, it's your typical Jordan 1 mid leather quality. Now tell me these do not remind you of the shattered backboards or the reverse shattered backboards, but there you guys have them right there. Let me, bring down the light a little bit. But there you go. It's your typical Jordan 1 mid leather. They made it look really tumbled. This is the type of leather, closest comparison, those cool gray rare Air Jordan 1 highs that I have, it's probably about the same, yeah. So you got the like kind of off-white bone color swoosh. You got the suede paneling behind it. Then you got the all orange panels going across the back. You got the Wings logo embossed right here in black. The whole upper of the sneaker consists of this tumbled orange leather. The midsole is also in this bone colorway. Then there's no Jumpman on the back. They got rid of the Jumpman on these. The tongue has the Jumpman logo in orange. I know the Jordan 1 mid doesn't get that much love, and I understand it's not an OG silhouette, like OG design or style. And I can totally understand, because the highs are, and then it says Air in white. And you get your traditional flat black laces. You got the black suede toe box, and then the mud guard is in orange. And then sitting up top, a full length foam midsole, and encapsulated, like not visible to the naked eye, underneath your foot in the heel is a Nike Air unit. Now, I wish the Jordan 1s were full length there. They'd be far more comfortable. But if you haven't tried on the Jordan 10s or the 13s, I've never tried on the 13s, but I've owned 10s and I've tried them on. They're extremely comfy. You get full length there on them. But I can't wait to, bring these out. I was so lucky to get these. And then the outsole is black, so I won't show that much dirt. And I can't believe I actually managed to cop these. Like, I thought they were waiting and waiting, like the loading, and then finally they got put into the cart. And oh yeah, I forgot to say that the heel collar up here is also in matching black suede. But yeah, I was so lucky to get these. I tried to tell my buddy to get them. He tried. He didn't get lucky. He struck out. I managed to get lucky and I copped them. But that was my today's video, guys. Much love. Keep subscribing, liking, and commenting. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I know we can get there. I have hope and faith in this channel. And if you do too, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Much appreciated. Leave a like and a comment. And yeah, hit the notification symbol bell next to subscribe once you do. And I'll notify you every time I upload content. But I couldn't wait to get this review out. I went more in depth, but keep it locked, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment. I couldn't say it enough as it is. Keep supporting. Love you with all my heart. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm in, I'm out. Y'all be easy. Peace. I'm out. Bye.